Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn the index function and also the index match combination for your formula structure to be more solid and also more dynamic as well. So let's see how index works. Index works just as like a lookup function where you could just choose your array, row number and column number, and it is going to bring the cell that you mention in this formula. So for example, we choose array, put your delimiter, and then let's say we want the second row and we want to have the third column, which is going to bring geometry. So it brings us the data of a cell which we determine in the formula as array, row number, and column number. So how to use this formula according to our benefit? Let's say that we have these codes in here and we have another table in here and we would like to bring the properties of these codes from here to here, and we want it to be dynamically. For that, first we need to learn the match function as well. The match function finds us the place or a ranking of a cell in a chosen array. For example, we're looking for the place of number A in this array. So to be able to do that, write match and then choose your lookup value, put your delimiter, and then choose your lookup array, which is the array that this A is going to be searched for, and then 0 is the exact match. That's what we need. So once I press enter, it is going to give me the number 6 because that's what we need. So we're going to use the exact same logic in the index formula. So let's write our formula again. So index, and then choose your whole array that you would like to bring your data. Put your brackets because we're going to copy and paste the formulas, and then we need the exact row number which is going to be matched with these codes. So we write the match formula. The lookup value that we're looking for is the code in here, which is MA101. So put your delimiter and then choose the array that it is going to be searched. Put the brackets again, lock the array, and then after you put your delimiter, put 0 because we're looking for an exact match. Close the parentheses, and now after we put our delimiter, we completed the row number as well. So we have this array, and with the match formula we're going to get the number 1 just for this formula, so it is going to be this row. So we need to be able to tell Excel that we want the third column, algebra. So we get back to a formula, and now we use the match formula to be able to find the place of class. So choose your lookup value and then your lookup array, which is this. Lock your array and then put your delimiter. We're looking for an exact match, and now we have completed the column section as well. Now close your parentheses and then hit enter. And now we got the algebra. With the dynamicity of this formula type, which is index match, you won't even need VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. This is the most solid lookup function that you could find. You don't even have to write new formulas. Even you can also find the values of credits by just copying and pasting it. So you have to adjust your formula for that. Like, we don't want any shift in the codes, so we put brackets. We only want shift in rows, so we only lock the column. And in here we want column to shift to be able to find the credits, but we don't want any shift in the rows because we're going to copy and paste the formulas from up to down. So we only lock the row in here. So once you copy and paste your formula, you will be able to see that it will bring the classes you wanted automatically. And not just that, if I copy and paste here as formulas, you can see that the credits will be shown in here too. I hope this brief video about index match was informative enough. So if you have any thoughts or opinions, please comment on the video below, and also don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe as well. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.